See, like for deflection we have only one formula na? Like suppose this delta is the deflection from B to B dash, so we will have moment in opposite direction of this deflection. Now the moment of the value of this moment is this 6 ei delta upon L square at both the places na, and the direction for this will be in this direction. Like in this case it is deflecting downwards, so our moment is in this direction. Now this is an anti-clockwise moment, so both of these will be positive. Now it differs from condition to condition. Like we can see in different situations. Like suppose in this condition in this condition, like this is force 40 kilonewton, this is closer, like this is nearer to this end na? So this beam will deflect in this direction, like this. See, this is deflecting in this direction na? So we will have our moment in this direction, because since it is deflecting in this direction, so our moment will be in this direction. Now this direction is clockwise, so the value of this moment will be 6 ei delta upon this distance, which is 7. So 6 ei delta upon 7 square it will be, but its direction will be what? In this direction, which is clockwise, means it should be negative. Now see, for AC and CA both, see, for AC and CA both it is negative, and its value is 6 ei delta upon 49. Now for, see, in this case for BD also it is deflecting in this direction, so our moment should be in this direction. Now this direction is also clockwise, so for BD and DB, so this is for BD and this is DB, it is minus 6 ei delta upon 25. It's 5 square na, because this distance was 5, so it is 5 square. In this way we have to assign sign for this fixed end moment. So there is no sign for this delta separately. The sign convention is for the total moment, which is anti-clockwise or clockwise. In this case also you can see we have 50 kilonewton force in this direction, so we know this beam will deflect in this direction and this will deflect in this direction, and this BC will deflect in this direction. Now seeing the deflection, like AB is deflecting in this direction, means it is clockwise, and this DC portion is also deflecting clockwise, but this BC is deflecting anti-clockwise. Now we will see the value of these moments. See here this deflection diagram, this AB is deflecting in this direction, and this is also deflecting in this direction. So AB will have moment opposite to the deflection, and it is also opposite to the reflection. Now this moment is in which direction? Anti-clockwise, so AB moment should be positive. Now see here, this fixed in moment at AB is positive. Why? Because this moment deflection is in anti-clockwise direction, and similarly here also it is, this CD portion is deflecting in this direction na? So its moment will be where? In this direction, and this is again anti-clockwise. So for CD also we will have positive fixed in moment. Okay, it is independent of delta. Delta don't have any sign. The sign convention is for fixed moment only. And for BC portion, like BC portion is deflecting in opposite direction, it was deflecting in this direction, so BC will deflect in clockwise direction, so the moment will be opposite for this BC portion. So the moment, fixed in moment, is positive for AB and CD, and it's negative for BC. This is happening in all situations. This is the only sign convention for moment.